Thank you for being here. It matters more than you know. We feel it. It matters more than you know. This is the message that I received this morning from the trees that I spend time with on my morning walks. And a couple of years ago, our land told me that every time we connect with and interact with any other life form, we're exchanging energy. And this is a reciprocal relationship. We look at something and we're exchanging energy with it. And it's been super impactful for me. I feel like the more intention you bring to it, the more you get out of it, like anything else. Thinking about how every time we look at a plant or a tree, every single one, we're exchanging energy with it. And my morning walks lately have really been including intentional connection with each individual tree that I'm passing by. A hello, and I love you. And I am definitely feeling it as well. Offering this as a practice.